I had a kidney transplant 30 years ago, and I take some real strong medicine. And I think that colored my teeth. And my teeth were getting to the point where that not only were they colored, but there was a lot of cavities behind them. And so that's what brought me in, years of taking real strong medicines and causing a decay and coloring of my teeth. I traded at Harris Teeter. And of course, I've always gone to a dentist, and I saw the sign, and I came over and interviewed with Dr. Yeast, and I felt like that he had the experience, and I also felt like the practice had really stable dentists in them. And so I've been here for my 10 years that I've been here in Ballantyne. I was transferred to Dr. Davis a couple of years ago. I've been to a lot of dentists, and he is extremely talented. And so therefore I have had no problem with the work that he's done for me. And I think his demeanor helps during the procedure. He's always asking if you're okay and you know, if I need to stop and take a break and that sort of thing. Dr. Davis came from one of the top 10 dental schools in the United States. And I mean, I don't go and sit in a dentist chair with just anybody. I've gotten a lot of compliments just on these temporaries. My family just couldn't believe the transformation. I would recommend Dr. Davis on to anyone.